So, you want to design a landing page in AWeber? Whether you're setting up a quick opt in page or a full sales funnel, AWeber does offer a landing page builder. But before you dive in, there are a few things you really need to know, because while it gets the job done, it's not necessarily the best option out there. And by the end of this video, I'll show you an alternative that not only gives you a longer free trial, but is actually better for building high converting landing pages. First, inside AWeber, head to the landing pages section. You can choose from templates or start from scratch. The templates are, okay, they're basic and get the job done, but compared to dedicated landing page builders, they feel a little outdated. The customization options are drag and drop, but they're somewhat limited. You can edit text, change images, and add buttons, but you won't get the deep customization of something like ClickFunnels or Systemd.io. Next, let's talk about integrations. AWeber does connect with email marketing tools and CRMs, but if you're looking for a seamless sales funnel experience where your landing page connects effortlessly with upsells, downsells, and automations, you'll quickly hit limitations. The platform is mainly built for email marketing, and the landing page builder feels like an add-on rather than a full-fledged tool. Another important point, *** mobile optimization ***. AWeber landing pages do adapt to mobile, but the customization here is restrictive. You can't fully tweak the mobile version separately, so if you have a complex design, it might not display perfectly on smaller screens. Now, let's talk conversions. The whole point of a landing page is to convert visitors into leads or customers, right? AWeber does offer basic conversion tools like form fields, call to action buttons, and basic A/B testing. But if you need more advanced conversion optimization, like heat maps, deeper analytics, or high converting templates, it's just not built for that. So, should you use AWeber for landing pages if you're already using it for email marketing and just need a simple opt-in page? Sure. But if you want higher conversions, better design, and a fully optimized funnel, there are way better options. Now, here's the deal. I've got an exclusive extended free trial to a landing page builder that actually gives you more features, better templates, and higher conversions. And if AWeber isn't quite what you need, I've also added a few amazing alternatives that might be a better fit for your business. You'll find all those links in the description below. Go check them out now, and I'll see you in the next video.